You say you'll be down in 5. The smell of your perfume is floating down the stairs. You're fixing up your hair like you do.
Today, I am so proud and blessed to become your wife. You, Lauren, and your family have brought so much love, joy, and happiness to my life, Cassandra's life, and Veronique's life.
It's always on a night like tonight. I thank God you can read my mind, 'cause when you look at me with those eyes,
I promise to be your always loving partner in this journey of life, and you have my heart and soul forever. I love you.
'cause watching you is all that I can do, and I'm speechless.
Monique, today I marry my best friend. You have brought love, kindness, and peace into my life. And for that I will always feel blessed to have you in my life. You and the girls have made my heart and my family complete. Love you always and forever.
We're gathered here today in the sight of God and in the presence of this company to join together this man and this woman in holy matrimony. Into this holy estate, these two are now come to be joined.
And I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret, 'cause watching you is all that I can